Welcome to Gundam Pro's 76th Shipment Tower. Let's see how the tower was built with a quick time-lapse short, followed by us checking out these incredible kits. In this tower we have 22 model kits consisting of 11 high grades, 5 SD kits, 2 master grades, 1 Figure Eye Standard, 1 Planosaurus, 1 Figure Eye Standard Amplified, and 1 30-minute mission model kit. Let's start with high grades. NRX-044 Ashimar, RX-110 Gabthlay, PMX-001 Palace Athene, RMS-179 Jim 2, RX-139 Hambrabi, RMS-154 Barzam, RX-160 Bayarland, and ZGMF X191M2 Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2. From Gundam 00, GN003 Gundam Kyrios. From Reconquista in G, YG111 Gundam G-Self Perfect Pack. For Figure Eye Standard we have Son Goku Ultra Instinct. For SD kits we have Date Masamune Gundam, Sonata Yukimura Gundam, Naoi Kainsugu Gundam, and GNT0000 Quanta. For SD Cross Silhouette we have MS06F Zaku 2. For Figure Eye Standard Amplified we have Metal Greymon Vaccine. For 30-minute missions we have Extended Armament Vehicle White Horse Mecha. And for Planosaurus we have Brachiosaurus. And for master grades we have Age 2 MG Gundam Age 2 Magnum and ZGMF X10A Freedom Gundam version 2.0. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching today's Shipment Tower video. See you in the next tower.